I'm making Twinkie cupcakes for graduation. Got my cake mix, my pudding mix, using butter instead of oil to make it richer, 4 eggs, get an even amount of mix in each cupcake. All right, we're going to put these in the oven and let them bake. Yum. All right, for the homemade Twinkie filling, my butter. Now we have 2 really good filling recipes in my Dining on a Dime. Volume 1. One you have to mix for 30 minutes, and another one you have to, and I don't feel like doing, well, I don't have time to do that right now, so I'm trying this one. Okay, so it's marshmallow fluff and butter. All right, that is nice and creamy. Now I'm going to add my vanilla, a titch of salt, and my heavy whipping cream, and my powdered sugar, so you want it pipeable, but not too thin. So, okay, that is good. But I just realized, I forgot I have 2 batches that I need to make. So I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my butter in there. And I forgot, I'm gonna double this piping bag here. All right, I got my Twinkies here. Got my filling in here with my number 230 filler. And all you're going to do is put it in, squeeze, do you need a tester?
Sure.
Is it similar to a Twinkie?
Mmm.
Have you even had a Twinkie?
Yeah. Well, it is similar to a Twinkie. It's a lot better in my opinion.
Ooh, better than a Twinkie?
Because Twinkies are kind of spongy and like really, like sometimes soggy. But this is like just perfect consistency.
No sogginess?
Yeah, it's really good.
Wow, better than a Twinkie, oh my. Well, that's a compliment.
Oh my goodness. That frosting is really good.
Is it really good? Yay. Okay, let's see. Maybe could have put more filling in, but this is my 3rd batch today. Oh, yum. I could have put more in, but my hands are hurting. Oh, delicious. I have extra filling, so I took off the end, and I'm just blopping a bigger thing of frosting on each one. There we go. Oh, yum.